Hey founders, it's Istia, the brain behind the Start Startup. Today I want to share with you why I'm building this crazy thing and why it might just be the easiest way for you to start your SaaS business in 2025. No fluff, just fair talk. So let's get started. So I have been in the SaaS world for a while now. I built my own product called Lance Pilot, which is a WhatsApp outreach platform, and it took off pretty nicely, by the way. And we made it to the top of product hunt and even launched an app soon as well. I used to think SaaS is the fastest way to make money online, which honestly kind of is, but no one talks about what it takes behind the scenes. You need a solid idea, a team of developers, infrastructure, security, marketing, and let's not forget about the most important ingredient, that is money burn. One mistake and it's game over. I went through sleepless nights, burned through cash, debugged stuff at 2 a.m., server crash, and everything in between. And that's when it hit me. And I realized, why does every aspiring entrepreneur need to reinvent the wheel? What if the product was already built, it was hosted for you, it had your own branding, and even the customer support was done for you? All you had to do was sell it and grow your own SaaS empire, isn't it? I mean, if you could get your own ChatGPT or Zoom branded as your own company, only just for $99, wouldn't you do it? And that's the idea behind the Start Startups. At Start Startups, we'll do the heavy lifting for you. We'll build powerful SaaS products, host them on a scalable cloud infrastructure, add full white label features, that means custom domain, your logo, your dashboard. Even we offer white label support as well. Yes, we answer support tickets as your own brand. And you just focus on sales, branding, and growing your customer base. You're not buying some dusty old templates. You're getting a real working SaaS business ready to go live. Imagine walking into a dealership, picking a Lamborghini, and they're like, yeah bro, $99, full tank, your name on the plate, just drive. That's what we are doing with SaaS. No need to be a developer, no need to beg for funding. Just plug and play entrepreneurship. So how does it actually work? We launch our Start Startups marketplace, where you will see multiple SaaS products being proposed. You fund the one you like with just $99. Once it's fully funded, we build it within 90 days. You get your license, white label, branded, fully yours. You start selling subscription and keep the profits. And yes, every product comes with full white label, billing system, super admin dashboard, and your own custom portal. Look, being successful alone is boring. I have made it through the fire. Now I want to help others skip the pain and jump right into the buildings with something meaningful. This is not just a marketplace, it's a movement. We are turning regular people into SaaS founders. No tech background required. Because I believe with the right tools, anyone can build a successful business. So if this excites you, jump on our waitlist right now. Follow along as we launch our movement. DM me, email me, yell me at my name on Twitter or whatever you want. I'm here for it. Start Startups is launching soon. And I truly believe this will be a game changer and a revolution. Let's use the power of crowd and expertise to turn you into a SaaS founder without the burnouts, breakdowns, or a PhD in programming. I'm Ishtiaq, and I'll be with you throughout the journey, and I'll take you to the top. Let's go from zero to a SaaS hero together.